Okay, this is a video of how to disable the buzzer in operation in case you have a small child that gets scared like I do of the vibration noise. So basically you can see this is already a finished product, but all I did, what I used was needle nose pliers to hold the wire in place so I could use the wire clippers to strip away some of the wire. But basically what it was is the LED, here's the LED for the light for the nose. The red and the black of this side from the battery and one of the LEDs was connected here to this post. This metal piece right here is what controls when the buzzer hits the metal on the board. It sends a signal through these two wires. One goes to the LED to turn it on and the other one goes to the motor. And when these two are together, it vibrates. So all you do is, what I did is I cut, see, you can see it red and black, cut these two red and blacks, or cut this red and this black at the same time, and I spliced them together right here. And I'm going to put electrical tape over that. And then I cut these two right here, and I twist them together right here. Now as you can see, the batteries are in. Here's the thing. Now when I touch this, the LED will come on, but the motor does not come on and vibrate. So, and all this is held in with some foam, so if you want to remove the rotor from the assembly, you can afterwards. Other videos will show you how to pop it out, but it's basically just some plastic pieces come out and that comes out from underneath the board side, but it's really easy. So that's pretty much how you do it. And this, I couldn't find any videos on it, so I'm making this video. Hopefully this will help other people that want to do this, and you know, give your kids some peace of mind. And these games are so cheap that if your kid grows up and they decide they want the vibration back, just go buy another game. It's not that expensive. Or, you know, maybe a motor and stick it in there. You know, it's whatever. That's what we're going to do. We're probably just going to buy another game because they're so cheap when he gets older. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.